How's it going? George from CauseWriter.ai, also of Whole Whale. I'm going to do a quick example of how I'm going to use CauseWriter to actually create the following article. But this is entirely written. So this is all about the Facebook recent changes. And I've got a YouTube video and I've got AI, and all of this was quickly generated by me using AI and creating a video that has a AI speaking and overlay. I just want to show you how this starts from an article. So I have an article. I'm going to go grab all that text. So I grab all that text and I jump into CauseWriter, which has many different custom AI bots in it. And one of them is a large context window Claude model where I pop in to the Claude model, usually correct, never in doubt. And I tell it the following: summarize key points of this article, and then it has at it. Yes, there's extra prompts behind this, but that's part of this whole tool. So in it goes, I paste that in.
With
It comes back with
ChatGPT
my key points.
exploding
I'm
in
like,
popularity,
oh, great, thanks.
another
Management
AI
stop covering
platform.
donation fees after October 31st. Donors are going to have the option to cover fees. All right, well, that's something. I got some dev work. Ignore that. All right, explain why this matters to nonprofits. So I'm prompting another reply to happen in here where it's going to summarize the key points, but also with the eye toward that audience. All right, we need to take action to do these terms and make sure you don't have any disruption to service. Great, it seems to cover those points. Ignore the dev stuff, and then turn this into a YouTube script that has a quality hook and retains attention
Meta
to
recently
the
dropped
end.
a fundraising
Okay,
bombshell
great. So I
starting
get my
October
script,
31st. They are
and I'm gonna go
partnering
ahead
exclusively
and
with PayPal, giving funds to
grab
handle
all that.
all donation
Gotcha.
processing.
Now, here is the next step. We're going to pop over to D-ID, so DID.com, and go in, and we paste our script. Great. We're going to choose a voice. We're going to choose, so hypothetically, we could just have me talking and doing it, but that's what I do. I wanted not me to do it. So we choose, somebody else in here to do it. We'll choose different characters, whoever shall be named. We can choose different styles. Terrified. No, we're not doing terrified. We're going to go cheerful. And so there we go. We have the script, audio, and it goes about doing it. And what we end up with is, I'm just going to speed it to the next step, is this video. So we get a guy speaking through. All right. So we download that. The thing is, that's just going to give us this square video. And so what we need to do is go into Descript. Wait for it. Okay. Descript, which is a great editing tool locally on your drive. And you see, I popped in the actual video, and then I did a screen record, much like I'm doing a screen record right now of what's going on in Facebook, and I can edit through it. I also add in the text. So this text is got this dynamic inserted text, which is pretty cool. And I will show you right here. So this text, this is the title, we popped it in, and the captions, I set it to captions. So it goes through that. And then just for fun, and then the effects, I go to the style, which is active word highlight, which I really like. It just like pops over the highlighted words as they kind of go through. And that's how you get that different effect. And all I'm doing is just screen recording here and giving that as the record. So I hit record. This is getting very meta, but I hit the screen, I do a screen record, and then I can do just a display screen, and that goes about it. But I'm going to make this thing very angry if I do a screen record within a screen record. Of course, I go to publish, export, and then clearly from there, all we end up with is a video that, I just posted it recently, 0.3 hours, which a viewing time, which is longer than the amount of time it made to create it. So on this page, again, you've got the elements where I created that article, and then I turned it into a YouTube script, and then I gave it to an AI to do a summary of that, and then I put it into YouTube, and then Descript, and then there. Okay. Again, we love building these types of things, and as a reminder, we try to continue to build out the library of courses. So one of the things that, even though we're not just all our tool all the time, but we love building out our own library, because these things change and there's new tactics. And I think this is a huge tactic for quickly churning out the types of video content at scale at I'll say decent quality. And we continue to do. So let us know how this goes for you, and check out CauseWriter.ai if you are a social impact organization interested in leveraging AI. All right. Take care.